Did you know the very same keratin treatment that makes your hair look smooth, shiny, and straight at the salon is actually causing the most damage to your hair? Shocking, right? But it's true. Today I'm going to share something completely different, a natural, organic, at-home keratin treatment that gives visible results after just one wash. And the most amazing part, you already have everything you need in your kitchen. Now, here's something important. If you've ever had a salon keratin treatment, you've probably noticed this. For the first few weeks, your hair looks perfect, silky, flawless, shiny. But then, slowly, hair fall starts, breakage appears, frizz shows up. Even your scalp might start feeling irritated. Now think about it. If keratin treatments were truly healthy, why are they never applied to the scalp? Why only on the hair length? Especially when the scalp is the real center of hair growth, the very heart of healthy hair. There's always a reason when something avoids the scalp, and that's exactly where the hidden problem of chemical keratin begins. Even dermatologists confirm this. Dr. Lena Arif, a certified trichologist, says most commercial keratin treatments contain chemicals like formaldehyde. They give your hair short-term shine, but over time, they weaken the hair shaft. That's why we never recommend applying them to the scalp. So the natural question is there a safe keratin alternative? Absolutely. And the best part? It's 100% natural, one that nourishes your scalp while strengthening your hair at the same time. Today's method isn't just a home remedy, it's a full keratin replacement treatment you can make at home, completely chemical-free. And the most incredible thing, you only need 3 simple ingredients: rice, flax seeds, and aloe vera gel. These 3 ingredients together create a keratin-like protein layer, just like salon treatments, but without the damage. Instead of chemicals, your hair receives pure nourishment, health, and natural shine. Let's get started. The very first step is hair prep. Wash your hair with lukewarm water to gently open the cuticles. This allows the treatment to penetrate deeply. If you like, use a mild shampoo, but even just warm water works perfectly fine. The key is a clean scalp and strands. Now the real magic begins. First, we prepare the rice cream. Take 2 tablespoons of rice and cook it in a glass of water until it becomes completely soft enough to mash easily. Make sure some water remains. Don't let the rice dry out. This soft rice and water mixture will form the rice cream, giving your hair natural protein and a healthy shine. Next, prepare the flaxseed gel in a separate bowl. Cook 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a glass of water. Within a few minutes, the water will turn thick and jelly-like. Strain the gel through a clean cloth. A regular strainer won't work because of the jelly-like texture. Flaxseed gel provides omega-3s that strengthen your hair roots and dramatically reduce breakage. Now combine the rice cream and flaxseed gel. Cook the mixture for just 1 minute, enough to merge the textures beautifully into a velvety, smooth cream. Let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. When it's warm, not hot, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera makes the mixture smooth, cooling, and gentle on the scalp. Blend everything well for a few seconds. The final texture should be silky, creamy, and uniform. And just like that, your 100% natural keratin cream is ready. No chemicals, no burning, no irritation, just softness, shine, and deep nourishment. Applying the treatment is simple. Spread the cream evenly from roots to tips. Don't wrap your hair tightly, just a gentle, loose wrap is enough. Cover with a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. You can use a light shampoo, but even water alone works perfectly. And then, you'll feel the difference instantly. Fingers glide through your hair effortlessly. Frizz disappears. Shine is salon quality, and your hair won't feel heavy or sticky. It will feel naturally soft, light, and healthy. For best results, use this treatment 1 to 2 times a week. Remember, never store the cream, always make it fresh for maximum effect. Why is this natural keratin so effective? Rice provides amino acids to build a protein layer along the hair shaft. Flax seeds deliver omega-3s to strengthen hair roots, reducing breakage and hair fall. Aloe vera soothes the scalp, controlling dryness, itching, and dandruff. While Salon Keratin creates a chemical coating, natural keratin actually repairs your hair's original structure. Long-lasting results without causing hair fall. If you're tired of frizz, dryness, breakage, and hair damage, this is the treatment that will protect you from harsh chemical salon traps. You are beautiful, and your hair can be strong, shiny, and healthy, all with a simple, natural routine. If you love this scientifically backed natural keratin treatment, make sure to subscribe to Clinical Discovery. Here, you'll find authentic research, real doctors' insights, and natural solutions that actually work. Stay natural. Stay beautiful.